Hey guys, welcome back. A snow shovel is a great tool for winter, but a garden shovel is a helpful, all-purpose lawn tool that can be used for gardening, mulching, or installing a fence. However, there are many products available to choose garden shovels, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a research on the internet and compiled a list of the best garden shovels from a couple of brands. After completing the research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. To know more about these products, please be sure to check out the description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fiskars Garden Shovel for Digging. For a garden shovel that provides the most value for the money, the Fiskars long-handled steel digging shovel stands out as a top choice. The durable design features a steel construction with the shaft welded directly to the blade, unlike many shovels where the shaft is inserted into a tube. This robust build makes it difficult to imagine anything breaking this shovel. Another advantage is the footrest design. Instead of the typical wings protruding from the blade, this shovel's footrest extends from the blade's edge all the way to the shaft, eliminating any gaps. However, the shovel is not without its drawbacks. The first is its weight. While not the heaviest shovel tested, it is noticeably heavier than most, especially when moving dirt into a wheelbarrow. The second issue is the handle design. Instead of a standard cylindrical shaft, it has a rounded triangular shape, which can feel uncomfortable when lifting dirt, though it doesn't hinder digging. Number 2. Fiskars 46-inch Garden Spade Shovel. Whether the goal is to slice through thick roots, neaten lawn edges, or move compost or soil, the Fiskars flat-top garden spade is more than capable of handling the task. This highly durable spade weighs under 5 pounds, but features a steel shaft, a hardened steel blade, and an oversized D-shaped handle designed to accommodate both hands. Additionally, the non-slip grip enhances comfort when cutting through compacted soil, clay, or dense sod. However, while the shaft and blade are made of steel, the handle is constructed from polyresin, which may wear out over time. A built-in steel handle would have been a more durable option. Another consideration is the welding. Although the tool is welded for strength, excessive stress on the welded areas could potentially cause the metal to break. That said, for moderate-duty tasks, this spade is an excellent choice and is likely to remain a reliable tool for years to come. Number 3. Bully Tools 12-Gauge Round Point Shovel. Long-handle round-point shovels are among the most versatile tools for general-purpose digging, and the Bully Tools LHRP stands out as a top performer. Its consistent excellence across various tasks earned it recognition as the best overall shovel. The sturdy 12-gauge head effortlessly cuts through hard-packed clay soil, sod, and roots, making it a reliable choice for demanding jobs. The wide step area provides excellent leverage, even when wearing soft-soled shoes instead of work boots, adding to its user-friendly design. The handle features a cushioned grip and enough flexibility to absorb the impact of digging without bending under heavy loads, ensuring both comfort and control during use. However, one potential drawback lies in the durability of the area where the socket meets the blade. While the shovel has welded reinforcements for added strength, excessive force such as prying out rocks or thick roots could cause the metal around the weld to break. Number 4. Hooyman Digging Shovel. The best garden shovel on the market is the Hooyman Digging Shovel. This tool stands out with its no-slip handles, located both at the end of the shaft and closer to the blade for lifting with the second hand. These handles provide added comfort, especially when working without gloves, and ensure a secure grip even in wet conditions. The blade is slightly serrated, making it highly effective at cutting through tough dirt, sod, and roots. The fiberglass shaft is lightweight, reducing fatigue during extended use, yet it remains durable enough for heavy-duty tasks. Digging in challenging soil, such as the root and rock-filled ground in wooded areas, becomes smooth and efficient with this shovel. The blade's strength and sharpness allow it to cut through roots or pry out rocks with ease. Transferring dirt from a pile into a wheelbarrow is also effortless, thanks to the shovel's lightweight design and the second-hand grip. Number 5. All-metal shovels for digging. Short-handled shovels are ideal for working in confined spaces, and this mini shovel is no exception. Gardeners can use it to dig holes, move dirt, apply compost, or remove stubborn weeds with ease. The flathead design features a strong metal shaft, a rust-resistant steel head with a sharpened edge, and a D-shaped non-slip grip to prevent hand fatigue during use. The entire tool measures just under 30 inches and weighs less than 2 pounds, making it highly portable and easy to handle. Upon arrival, the shovel's small size might initially give the impression of a toy. It is shorter than a typical shirt sleeve, and when the blade is buried in soil, the handle reaches only knee height. However, its sturdiness quickly becomes apparent during use. The lightweight design allows for one-handed operation, and it feels like an oversized trowel or undersized spade. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.